brothers and sisters, whether in the saloon or in the garden or on the border stage or in the ghetto, everywhere share this message. Tell them we can come together. We can change this our country. We can build this country. We can get out of this mess. We can fix our roads. We can fix our hospitals. We are young people. We cannot live in the mistakes of the past. We must get the opportunity to make our own mistakes. We will not allow anybody to make enemies for us. We will make our own enemies. And we will make our own friends. We shall unite. To you, the young people of Lagos, I want to bring a message to the people of Uganda. The people of Uganda love you. And they know you love them. To you, the young people of Uganda, I know you're listening to me.